Hi. Junior Gold recap, day one. Talking about how it went. I'd say it went pretty well.
It went well.
119 over with 170 the first game.
Yeah, I bowled 177. We were definitely in the wrong ball. And I knew I needed to throw urethane, but it didn't look like it was there just yet. And then come game two, I went...
That was 2-8, strike, ring 10.
Strike, ring 10, sheet, 270. I'm like, oh, okay, urethane. That's the double cross, not the purple hammer. Don't get it mixed up. And then I bowled 247.
247.
With a missed 10 pin.
She had a 16 bagger.
I had a 16 bagger.
Between games 2 and game 3.
And then I bowled 225 my last game with another missed one. I think the most important advice I could give any bowler out there is when you make a bad shot, just move on. Don't let it affect your next frames, because if you do, it'll feed into one frame and then the next frame, and then you basically just threw that game away because you're so angry about a frame that you can't change.
Yeah, I think just watching, that was something that you did a really good job of, was you didn't let a mismakeable stop you from throwing a good shot. You'd miss a spare and then throw a double right after it and make a bunch of really good shots after it, that you never let those bad shots or those bad frames affect you, which I think ultimately led to the amount of score that you had today.
I did have 3 mismakeables today along with 2 splits, so 5 opens and still to go plus 119 is crazy.
Yeah, I think, it was bonus that you had as good a ball reaction as you did, that you struck as much as you did. But
kind of felt like Brandon out there with your...
Yeah, I know. I've never had a 16 bagger at Junior Gold, so I think the fact that you had as much ball reaction as you did was really good, but I think your mentality also was, okay, if I had a bad frame, you never let it get to you.
Thanks, dude.
Good work. Round 2 tomorrow at 8:30 p.m.
Way to work.
But that's a hot start for Sydney. We'll see you next time.
Peace.
Peace.